2008 Z06 for baseline. One of the best cars.
Certainly is.
Kyle, what are you guessing it's going to make?
470.
470. Okay. Matt, what's the guess?
That header?
Got an intake.
I'm gonna stop. Stop manifold. 482. I know. 475. And it's got stock manifold. It has headers on it.
Oh, does it?
You're a piece of shit. I knew it.
Well, you still
I
won!
knew it had headers on it.
I thought I saw a heat shield when I glanced in there.
You ever see that video of that old dude at a drag strip with a Tesla claiming he can beat like funny cars and shit?
No.
Yeah, this old ass dude, old as shit. He's got like a Tesla Plaid. He's talking so much, like it's like a testing tune guy. So there's like anything from funny cars to like 10-second cars, or whatever. And he's talking so much. Like, I can take that. He gets spanked by everyone.
What the
And he
fuck?
keeps having all these excuses. He's like, go ahead and put it in the full power mode.
What the fuck?
I swear to God. Look it up, you'll find it. He keeps losing and he keeps saying he's gonna win.
Like Johnny Frank and steaming heads. Alright, 2008 C6Z. It had headers and an air intake when it came in. We just did a set of cylinder heads. Baseline 498. Already had it tuned in too because the air fuel's like perfect. Let's see what we got. .523, 503 torque. It's a little lean, but not lean enough for me to back out of it. Had a little fuel. That's about it. Didn't touch timing or anything. Actually got a little knock that run, but I'm hoping it was just because it was a little lean. We'll see. Exact same thing. A lot less knock there though. Almost none, but I'm gonna pull a little bit of timing out. 55. I also might add that it is 3,500 degrees today. In case you guys didn't know. One more torque, one less power. Pretty consistent at least. Zero knock though. I'm gonna let this thing cool off for 10 or 15 and I'll make a final pull. I mean, it's heads only, so it's not really the hardest thing in the world to tune, so we'll be back. All right, I'm gonna let this thing cool for, I don't know, maybe 20, 25 minutes. See what we got. exactly the same thing again. I'm gonna make one more. .526, 504. Final numbers. What'd this thing baseline? 498 or something. So picked up 27 horsepower and 17 foot-pounds of torque from cylinder heads. Not too shabby. And in reality, I'm sure this guy, like among many others that just have us do cylinder heads, they're not really concerned about power. They're mainly concerned about valve drop. So this will cure that, and they get a little bit of power out of it, and it's safe. They can beat on it and not worry about it. That's it. Later. You're going 469?
Always.
Kyle?
473.
I'm going 478. This thing's stock. Yeah. Looking pretty stock. How many miles is that? 19,658. Did you say 472?
473.
473. Oh, okay. I usually either go 469 or 472.
Clean under the hood too.
Very clean.
It's much appreciated.
Kyle was appreciative of a nice engine bay.
Pizza, a well-kept engine bay. Doesn't look like someone, you know, drove through a sandstorm with the hood popping off. Drove to Canada with the hood off. Stage 3, I believe, at the camp.
Okay.
I believe it's what homeboy's getting. So, we'll start draining the oil and everything. We can put the hood on behind it.
Sounds good.
I'm not sure what he gets more excited over, camshaft or camshaft box.
Yeah, no. Don't worry, I got one boxed up for you already, bud.
Nice. Kyle, how was lunch?
Delicious.
Yeah, here it is.
Wow, Kyle.
What?
It looks like this thing's almost all finished, you know, all back together.
Almost there, bud.
Almost.
Not gonna make it.
Not gonna make it today.
I was really hoping to, but I think that making the Haltech's gonna put me over.
I only got, what, 15, 20 minutes left?
I mean, if I had had to throw the Haltech once right here put together, I'd be fucking chilling. But I don't think it's gonna happen. We're gonna try.
No, I asked Matt already. I don't know if I asked you. You got anything exciting going on in the weekend?
Might do a couple car shows. Other than that, not really.
Nice.
One up in Warminster, like Bucks County area.
Like
This popular D-Town place always holds these car shows, and food trucks and stuff come out like twice a year. It's for some charity, whatever. I went there a few years ago. The weather's supposed to be nice this weekend, so do that. And then there's another one back towards my house in Malvern at a gun range. I might try and go to, which would be more of a Lexus speed than some of the exotics and supercars and crap. But so yeah, as of right now, that's the only thing I got planned this weekend.
New header stroke. Right, 2009 C6Z. Came from Florida. Got our full stage 3 package. So heads cam, 2-inch American Racing headers with cats, Haltech 108, and then transportation. At 475, 450 baseline. So let's see what we got. .577, 505. I don't really have any timing in it, but .589, 509, but he's got to go to lunch and I got to charge my laptop, so we'll be back. All right, he's back from lunch. Let's go. .607, 519 torque, pretty stout. It's right on par to pick up about 140 like our stage 3s do. I mean, it made what, 675? So it's at 142 right now. So see if we can hit 620. I'll be happy if we do. No, 610, sorry, not 620. I don't know if we will, but we'll try. 519. I don't know if 2 more horsepower is going to happen. That's meaning, like, being that this thing has cats on it, but I'm going to try right here. But this will probably be the last pull. Same exact thing. That's all she's got. It's okay though. It's on par. It still picked up 132 with cats. 475 at baseline, right? Yeah, so 132 with the cats. Not terrible, pretty stout. This thing, how many miles are on this thing? Let's check. 19,000. Back to Pensacola, Florida. You should enjoy it. It's a solid setup. Later.